Hi everyone, it's Gladys Diaz with Heart's Desire International, and I'm speaking to you from the 2013 Niche Parent Conference, where I was asked to come and speak about how we use our Heart's Desire International Facebook page to engage our audience and to make connections with our followers. So first of all, if you haven't liked our Facebook page, you want to head on over to facebook.com/heartsdesireintl. You want to do that. But I have to tell you guys that I was really, though I was honored, I was very scared to do this talk, to speak on this panel, because it's a little bit out of my comfort zone. See, I'm used to talking about making relationships work and how to date successfully and how to turn your life around, and this was a little bit off topic for me, so I was insecure. So what did I do? I took my own advice. I took the advice that I give you when I'm asking you to step outside of your comfort zone. So one of the first things that I did was I put on lots of lip gloss. There's a strategy to that. I always tell you all that one of your most beautiful natural beauty aids is your smile. But also when I wear lip gloss, it makes me smile because when I'm not smiling, my lips stick together. And they say that the only difference between being terrified and being excited is a smile. So I smiled a lot. And I also used some of the positive self-talk and affirmations that I ask you to use. So some of the affirmations I used were, they wouldn't have asked me to speak if I didn't have something important to say or something of value. So for those of you who are single, when a guy asks you out, he wouldn't be asking you out if he didn't want to get to know you better. And for those of you who are in relationships or married, he wouldn't have asked you to be his girlfriend. He wouldn't have asked you to be his wife if he didn't love you, if he didn't want to be with you. And then another thing I told myself was, you know what? If I have this huge goal of transforming this world, one heart at a time, then I'm going to need to take some big action steps and take some risks. So same with you. If you're single and you really want to have that loving, passionate, intimate, fulfilling relationship that you've always dreamed of, or you're in a relationship and you want to turn it around or make it even more extraordinary, that's a big goal. You're going to have to take some action steps, big steps, and take some risks. So I just wanted to take a moment to thank you. I think we did a good job. We got some great feedback from the audience. So thank you for inspiring me, and thank you for helping me gather my courage to do something that was a little bit out of my comfort zone. And until our hearts meet again, always remember that you are loved. Don't forget to check out the Heart's Desire International Facebook page, www.facebook.com/heartsdesireintl. This is Gladys with Heart's Desire International. See you soon.